Today we're going to make 3 DIY Mandalorian-themed miniatures. Take clay and make a thin, even rectangle. Using a toothpick, draw on what looks like the Imperial crest. Mine isn't that neat, and that's okay because we will be drawing on the design again with some paint. Use silver paint to paint your clay rectangle. Using a toothpick and some black paint, draw on the Imperial crest. Seal it with a coat of Mod Podge. Creating miniature Beskar steel. Cut out a small green rectangle and draw on a time of your choice. Use 3 pipettes, which I got off of Amazon. Set them together in the shape of a pyramid and glue them together. Trim off one of their ends. Cut off a small portion of the other 2 ends. Trim down the original end to fit both of the other 2 ends inside of it. Make sure to secure with some hot glue. Paint it black. Paint the 2 edges to look like wires. I made mine red and blue. And glue on that little green rectangle. Making a miniature time bomb. For this last craft, get a picture of the Mandalorian. I used mine from a tag of the child I unboxed in my last video. Trim off any excess around it. Glue it to a piece of black cardstock and make sure that there is an edge around it. Additionally, cut out a triangle and repeat the steps so that both have multiple layers. Glue the pieces together to form a frame. If you'd like, you can also add embellishments to the outer rim for a DIY Mandalorian-themed frame. I hope you enjoyed making these 3 Mandalorian-themed miniatures. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting!